Hot mix cold-laid asphalt mixes are used in maintenance applications in many TxDOT districts across Texas. Until now, these mixes were designed and tested using a Texas Gyratory Compactor, or TGC. The Texas Department of Transportation and the Texas A&M Transportation Institute are looking to phase out the use of the TGC, as well as update and streamline the hot mix cold-laid design procedure.
This research was predominantly looking at switching our hot mix cold laid, which is a maintenance style material, from being designed on the Texas Gyratory press over to the Superpave Gyratory press. The TGC, the Texas Gyratory, has been around since the late 30s. In the early 2000s, the Superpave was created based on the TGC. And so we've had an effort for probably the past 20 years to try to get all of our mixtures off of the TGC and use the more automated SGC. Hot mix cold laid is the last key to this puzzle in 100% getting away from the TGC.
When you change to gyratory compactor from Texas Gyratory Compactor to Superpave, and the performance test has to be changed as well. So we have to find other performance tests to replace beam stability test.
Typically with hot mix cold laid, you have to run what we call a beam stabilometer, and that's a 4-inch diameter specimen, which is the TGC. So when we go to the SGC, which is 6-inch across, what performance test do we run? And so this was not only can we design it on a different press, but what test do we run instead of the beam, since we now have a larger specimen that wouldn't work with that older device.
In the lab, we mold compacted tons of samples in order to come up with, the equivalent number of gyrations for Superpave Gyratory Compactor, and to give the similar asphalt content as usually they do through Texas Gyratory Compactor. Again, we have to ensure the good performance. That's why we identify the Canterbury test and ideal routing test to ensure they are good and better performance in the field.
So we have a mock specification and test procedure for the design on the Superpave Gyratory, and we have the ideal RT test procedure. I've actually already sent that to our level 2 design committee. So that represents all of the contractors in the state that do hot mix designs. It's going to be safer. It's going to be less upkeep. We're going to be able to utilize equipment that we're using on other hot mix projects. So really, we're just going to be able to cut half of our equipment inventory from compactors in half, and then we're going to get better, more repeatable results between individuals.
For more information and to find the publications for this project, please visit the TxDOT Research Library at the link shown below.